Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE Window Pack ASSY part #WB56X22160. This part is a replacement for a broken or damaged window pack assembly. It can fix symptoms such as a window that won't open or close, or one that is stuck in the open or closed position. This part fixes the following symptoms. 1. Begin by unplugging the power cord from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that secure the window pack assembly to the wall. 3. Carefully remove the old window pack assembly from the wall and set aside. 4. Place the new window pack assembly into position and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. 5. Plug in the power cord and test to make sure everything is working properly. Here is how you install this part. GE Window Pack ASSY part #WB56X22160 is a window assembly for GE refrigerators. It includes the window, frame, and gasket. The window is made of clear plastic and the frame is made of white plastic. The gasket seals the window to the refrigerator door to keep cold air in and warm air out. This part is used to replace a broken or damaged window on a GE refrigerator. It is an OEM part that has been designed and tested to meet GE specifications for quality and performance. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.